Kombai AI Review. Is it worth it? Kombai AI is a domain-specific AI coding agent tailored for front-end development. It bridges design-to-code workflows by converting Figma mockups into production-ready React, HTML, CSS, and even email-compatible front-end code. Its real strength? Well, it has a specialized context engine that deeply understands your UI stack and repository, delivering cleaner, consistent, and integrable code. So what's good about it is it has superior design to code accuracy, which excels at translating Figma designs into React components with pixel perfect fidelity, generating logical div structures, classes, loops, and mock data effortlessly. It also has a high code quality and reliability. It performs impressively in real-world benchmarks. It also has a deep contextual awareness. It offers planning and live preview workflows, and it is enterprise grade for its security. The problem is, it has narrow focus. It only supports only front-end stack, and they have review prices, availability, so it's currently still in early access, so it's still new with a freemium model and it has a steeper learning curve, and it has a complex UI. So in conclusion, is it worth it in 2025? Well, yes. If you're a front-end developer or team reliant on Figma to React, CSS or workflow, Kombai offers revolutionary productivity boosts with high code fidelity.